Uh, Good afternoon, everybody. This is my store, Elena Furniture Store, and this is the Elena Furniture Store located in the northeast of the city. It has many products for the home work. You can choose the product under the pay system, and we also have some promotion. And at this time, we sell dinner chairs at the very comfortable price. In this season, those chairs is a good price selling. It's a happy Mother's Day, and we sell everything cheap. And this is a table for television with a price of 500,000 pesos, or one of our new units in the store. And that is a living room with lovely colors and a good price. We have best paid system for you to take carry, and so good to sit in the house. It's so expensive, and we can you have to pay too much money for to carry it. And this side, this is a very cheap brown wardrobe in our store that you can take this season for and you can buy this wardrobe for 600 pesos. It's so expensive for this season. Okay.